Experiencing frequent Wi-Fi drops and connection issues with your T-Mobile router? You're not alone. These problems often stem from Wi-Fi channel congestion and interference. T-Mobile's 5G home internet gateways, while offering high-speed internet, can be susceptible to these issues, especially in densely populated areas or due to environmental factors. This section will cover how to identify whether Wi-Fi channel congestion is the issue. Begin by using a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your smartphone to scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks and their respective channels. If your router is operating on a channel with many other networks, switch to a less crowded channel. Channels 36 to 48 on the 5 GHz band are often less congested. Also, make sure that there are no other devices nearby, such as microwave ovens or baby monitors, that could be contributing to the interference. After identifying the root cause, several fixes can stabilize your T-Mobile router's connection. First, ensure your router's firmware is up to date via the T-Mobile app, as updates often include Wi-Fi stability improvements and bug fixes. You can also manually select the Wi-Fi channel, and switching to a less crowded channel can significantly reduce drops. For persistent issues, consider adding a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh networking system to improve coverage and reduce interference. As T-Mobile and other providers move towards Wi-Fi 7 standards, expect even better interference resistance and faster speeds, further reducing connection drops. In the meantime, implementing these practical fixes can greatly improve your T-Mobile router's reliability.